Good morning, students. I hope you are all very well today. I hope you are all staying very safe at home and continuing to study very hard. Okay then, who finished yesterday's e-learning? Very good. So, who can tell me what we studied yesterday? That's correct, we studied ending sounds. Ug, ub, and up. So, one student, can you give me a word ending with the sound ug? Hug, very good. Now how about a word ending with the sound ub? U-B, ub. Tub, like the bathtub, very good. Now how about a word ending with the sound up? Pup, that's correct, the baby dog. Very good. Well done, students. So, today's date, Tuesday, 16th of June, 2020. And in today's lesson, we will be studying beginning sounds, gl, pl, and sl. Is everybody ready? Okay then, let's start today's lesson. So, g and l make, you guessed it already, the gl sound. Everyone say gl with me. Good. P and l make the pl sound. Everyone say pl. Good. Now, S and L, S and L make the sl sound. Everyone say sl. Now, one more time. Gl, pl, sl. Very good, students. Well done. So today's words that we are going to use, let's start with the gl sounds. We have glass. Everyone say glass with me. Good. Glove. Everyone say glove. Very good. Globe. The world we live in is a round globe. Everyone say globe. Good. And glue. Everyone say glue. Very good, students. Now today, for the pl sounds, we have plane. Yes, plant. Plate. And plum. So everybody say plane for me. Good. Now everybody say plant. Well done. Now students, say plate. Good. Last one for the pl sounding words, say plum for me. Plum. Good. Okay, let's move on to the sl sounding words that we are going to use today. Slide. Sled. Slice. And slim. So everyone say slide with me. Good. Now everyone say sled. Sled. Very good. Now, students, can you say slice? Good. And the last one we're going to use for today, today's final word, is slim. All of the students at home say slim with me. Well done. Very good. Glass. Gl. S sound. Everyone say glass. So a glass is a clear container and it's made of something called glass, which is why we call it a glass. We can drink water from it. We also use it for windows so we can see into the world outside. Everyone say glass. Good. Glut. Glut sound with the of ending sound. Glove. You all know when it's so cold outside, you need to wear the mittens. Yes, well, a glove is a type of mitten. Very good. So everyone say it with me. Glove. Glove. Of sound. Glove. Wow, well done. Okay, we all know we live in the world and it's a globe. So, students, can you say globe? Globe. We can travel all around the globe in an aeroplane. Good. Now we have glue. Glue. Everyone say glu. Glue. So we can use glue to fix things if they break. All types of wood, plastic and metal. Glue is very strong and it will hold things together. One more time at home, can you say glue for me? Very good, students. So we've already mentioned plane. So today's plut words, plut, ain, plane, like the aeroplane. Yes, that's correct. Everyone say plut. Everyone say ain, plane. Wow, good job everyone. Now we have a plant. So plut sound ending with the ant. Ant. It looks like ant, but we say yes. Good. Plant. Very good. So a plant is something that grows from the ground. We can grow things to eat with plants, like tomatoes and garlic. So many things that we eat grow from the ground on or in a plant. Good. So say it one more time. Plut, ant, plant. Now we have a plate. So the plut sound and ate, plate. The things that we use to eat our lunch and dinner from. Okay, students, you say it at home for me. Plut, ate, plate. Very good, well done. Last one for the plut sounds. Does anybody remember what this is? It's a plum, a purple plum. So we need plut and the sound, plum. Did everybody get it? A plum is a very delicious fruit that grows on a tree. Let's move on to the slug sounds. So firstly, everyone's favourite, I bet, we have slug and I'd slide. That's correct. Say it one more time with me. Slide, slug, I'd slide. Well done. Next for the slug sounds we have a sled. A sled is something we can use on ice, often pulled by animals. That's correct, slug. And the ed sound, sled. Very good, students. Next we have a slice. You can cut a slice of cheese to eat, just like in the picture. The small arrow is pointing to a small, thin slice of cheese. Yes. So slut sound plus ice. Not the kind of cold ice though. Slice. Everyone say it with me at home. Slice. Good. Last one for today then. Slim. He is fat. He is slim. Everybody got it? Slut sound again. Plus slim. Everyone say slim for me at home. Very good, students. Well done today. So let's review the words that we have learned using the glut sound. We had glass, G-L-A-S-S, glove, G-L-O-V-E, glow, G-L-O-B-E, and glue, G-L-U-E. Did everybody get it? Okay, let's say them one more time. After teacher, go. Glass, glove, globe, glue. Good. Let's put them all together and read them in a sentence each. Would you like a glass? Don't forget your glove. I want to go around the globe. We can fix it with glue. Now remember, you can read them and copy teacher as many times as you like. Just rewind the video. Good. So let's review the plut words we had. Plane, plant, plate, and plum. Plane, P-L-A-N-E. Plant, P-L-A-N-T. Plate, P-L-A-T-E. And plum, P-L-U-M. So everyone say them after teacher one more time. Plane, plant, plate, plum. Very good. Now let's put them into sentences. I can see a plane. Say them after me. In the ground there is a plant. Here is your plate. Would you like a plum? Good work, everybody. Now let's review the slug words we have learned today. Slide, sled, slice, and slim. Let's spell them together. Slide, S-L-I-D-E. Sled, S-L-E-D. Slice, S-L-I-C-E. Slim, S-L-I-M. Very good, students. Let's put them into sentences and you can read the sentence after teacher. Can we play on the slide? I want to ride on the sled. Take a slice of cheese. My brother is slim. Good, students, good work today. So let's do a small activity together. Are you ready? Who can remember what number 1 is? It's a glut sound. That's correct. It's a glass. Good job. Now how about number 2, another gl sound? Yes, it is. It's a glove. Number 3, can anybody remember what number 3 is? Good work, students. It is a globe. Okay, number 4. That's correct. It's a plane. Everybody remembers plane. Good job. Number 5. Can anybody remember what number 5 is? Good work, students. It is a plant. And the last one? Okay, I'll give you a clue. It's a tasty fruit. It is a plum, a purple plum. Very good. Good work today, students. Well done, everybody. I'd like to thank you for taking the time to watch this video lesson. I hope it will benefit you and help you to keep studying and focus on your e-learning while you're at home. So take care, everybody. Stay safe, and we'll see you next time. Okay, goodbye. Take care.